In this video tutorial, we will create a walkthrough animation in which the end result will look like this. To create a path, you could draw multiple lines with the Line tool, and then join them together with the Make Paths from Curve tool. The easiest and quickest way to create a path is with the Polyline Path tool. You may also want to use the Construction Grid plugin included with Animate to help with your path creation. A polyline can be as short or as long as you like, and after selecting a corner offset, you can begin creating the path. Each line segment is joined by an arc based on the corner offset. Once a path is completed, animation attributes must be assigned to that path. You are automatically brought to the animation path window once a path is completed. In this window, you select the group you want to animate on the path. Since no other groups have been made, only the camera is an option. In this case, we want to animate the camera along the path to create a walkthrough. Selecting the number of frames will divide the path into how many scenes will be created. The more frames, the smoother the final animation will be. Depending on the frame rate that is chosen for the exported animation, you can calculate how many frames will be needed to make the animation a particular length. After positioning the path, there are a few things that should be done before the scenes are created. The animation path can be left in the scenes, but most will probably want to hide the paths that are made. Hiding the path must be done before scenes are created and can be done by simply putting the path on a layer and hiding that layer. Next, preview the animation. Previewing the animation allows the ability to see if there are any mistakes in the path or animation. Let's pretend there was a mistake in the path. Instead of having to create the path all over again, the Edit Path tool can be used. The Edit Path tool allows you to move line segments or arc points. In fact, you may even want to create a rough path completely on one plane and then drag the line segments and arcs to fit the animation. Once you are satisfied with your preview, save the model. The only way to undo the scene creation process is to revert the model back to the last time it was saved. The scenes will also not be created unless you have saved the model. When scenes are being created, Animate will break every 200 scenes to give you the option to continue or quit making scenes. Once the scenes are created, the animation can be played in SketchUp through the View menu. This animation should look exactly like the preview before scenes were created. If you are having problems with viewing your animation, check that the settings are set to 0 scene transition and 0 scene delay. To export the animation, select Export Animation from the File menu. Before saving, check the animation export options. Here you can select the resolution size, the aspect ratio, the frame rate, and also codec and anti-aliasing for quality. It should be noted that due to the production software, the animation you are seeing now is not true to the smooth frame rate you will see in your exported animations.